Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make a great comfort food, especially for the cold winter months, and that is vegan chili. It's really easy to make and it's really delicious, so let's get started.
We're going to start out by cooking the plant-based meat. So we're going to take one package of whatever your favorite brand is. This is Impossible meat. It's actually 12 ounces. Some of them come in 16 ounces, just depends on the brand. And we're just going to cook this in a skillet over medium heat just until the meat is browned. So it should just take around 5 minutes or so. And then we're going to take a large saucepan and add 1/3 cup of vegan butter and melt it over medium heat. And then add 1 chopped onion. And we're just going to cook that in the vegan butter until the onions are lightly browned, golden or just browned. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and just let that cook for a few more minutes. And then we're going to add in the ground beef that's been browned and add our spices. So we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of cumin, two teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of salt. And mix that all together and just let that cook for a few more minutes. And then we're going to add in our chopped tomatoes. This is about 2 pounds of Roma tomatoes, which have been chopped. And then we're going to add 1 red pepper and 1 green pepper, which have also been chopped. Mix that all together. And then we're just going to simmer that over low heat for about 45 minutes to an hour. And the tomatoes will be completely broken down and we'll have a nice thick consistency. And then we're going to add in 2 cans of kidney beans, which have been drained and rinsed. Mix that all together, and then we're just going to let that cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. And then it's ready to serve. And then you can top this with some vegan cheese or crackers, whatever your choice of topping is.
Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more great recipes, and remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.